Good morning, families and friends. You see, my topic for this morning is carried on the heart, Christ's judgment and your name. Exodus 28:15-30. See, when people hear the word judgment, many feel fear. But Exodus 28 gives us a very different picture. God tells Moses to make a breastplate of judgment, not for the heart, not for the hands, not for the head, but for the heart. See, 12 precious stones, 12 names, each name's engraved. This was not decoration. This was theology. See, God was teaching Israel one powerful truth, which is in judgment, God carries his people in his heart. See, Ellen White explains that the breastplate worn by the high priest symbolized that God's people were always born upon the heart of Christ. See, judgment in God's design is not cold or distant. It is personal. And notice this, every stone was different colors, different brilliance. That tells us something important. God does not erase individuality in salvation. Your name matters. Your story matters. See, Exodus 28 says the names were born continually before the Lord. See, judgment was inseparable from intercession. This points to Jesus Christ, our true high priest, who lives to intercede for us. See, inside the breastplate were the Urim and Thummim, symbols of light and truth. Judgment, my friends, is not based on rumors or appearance, but on light received and truth embraced. So judgment is not God searching for reasons to reject you. It is God's revealing who has chosen to trust him. See, the real question is, am I afraid of judgment? But it's rather, is my name resting on his heart? Because when Christ is your high priest, judgment becomes not terror, but hope. Amen.